5 clever sewing tips you may not have thought of. This seam remover from Kai Scissors can be your new best friend. When you have to rip out your seams, carefully use this tool to cut speedily through the stitches. It will save you so much time. When you are cutting small pieces out of a pattern, instead of using pins, try using sewing clips to hold together the pattern pieces to the fabric. This way, not only will it hold together the pieces firmly, but you will also have something to grab onto while cutting out such delicate pieces. Have you ever used cork or leather for a project and experienced big holes whenever you try to pin them together? Plus, those heavyweight materials always make it difficult for pins to go through. In this case, try using sewing clips instead of pins. They can hold your material together without leaving any holes in your project. How do you store your cutting mats? A good way to store them flat is to hang them using binder clips. This way, the cutting mat doesn't take up too much space and can also prevent it from getting warped when it leans up against the floor and a wall. Do you ever find it hard to organize all your needles in the correct sizes, and sometimes forget which one is the one you were looking for? Take an old pin cushion and mark each section with the needle sizes that you use. When you pull one out to put it in your machine, mark the spot with a decorative pin. Looking for more sewing tips? Join our newsletter at the bottom of the page at shopwonderfil.com for weekly tutorials, free patterns, and sewing tips.